If you don't buy this house, you're dopey. Today I have a really special episode with my friend Jimmy. He and his husband accosted me, I'd say.
We attacked you in the piazza.
In the piazza, telling me what fans they were of my YouTube channel and that they had bought a property here that they were going to renovate. And this is the property behind us. It's actually quite cute and quite historical. Tell us a little bit about the Gatehouse here in Fivizzano.
It was actually double the size, but that size fell down where we now have the terrace. The house was completely renovated, so all new electrical, all new plumbing.
I mean, what you've done inside is beautiful. I will say that the house is being offered completely furnished. Of course, it's super chic. I absolutely love it. I think you guys are, I mean, you're gonna want to buy this. I would buy it. It's so cute.
Well, we bought a bigger house.
Yeah.
So we bought a
part
larger
of it,
house.
I mean, full disclosure, this has a lot of stairs.
Yes.
And your husband has some knee issues.
Yep.
So unfortunately, this was not the ideal setting for him. All right, let's go inside. How much is it?
$135.
There we go, a steal, write that check. Let's go in. Going through the kitchen to the terrace, so this makes perfect sense the way that this is laid out. It really does. And I've had lots of lovely aperitivos here.
You know, this was the money shot for us, the views of the mountains and Poniana. This is our living space.
And it's a medieval gatehouse, so it's got all these really pretty features on it. The other thing I love is people just kind of walk up if they're doing errands and they say hi to these guys. Sometimes if you're walking up, if I'm walking up, they'll go, come in, have some wine. So it's like an instant party house, really.
It is, it has
right?
been. Yeah.
All right, well, show us your kitchen. The floors here are fantastic. So you didn't do anything to the floors, right?
Nope, nope. They were like this. Just painted the inside. We changed the light fixture and we furnished it with some of the stuff that was here, some of the stuff
that sink was here, like that?
The sink was here, yes.
Wow, and look how cute you made it with the checkers. See, everybody's here. Hello.
Somebody's here for a glass of wine.
Always. It's like the happy house.
We love it. This is our, you know, community place where we have our dinners and...
And you cook? Does Dennis cook too, or you're the cook?
Cooks.
Dennis is the cook.
I
eat. Okay, cool. All right, show us some more.
Yep. So the stairs were all original.
How cute is this gatehouse, though? You did such a nice job cleaning this up and making it perfect.
This is so Italian.
Very much so. You just put your wine here.
Yep. Put a table here, 4 chairs, some candles. It's very romantic.
Oh, that's so nice. The doors are beautiful. I love this house. I mean, it's really beautiful.
All the doors are original.
This was here too?
This was here too.
Did you paint this though?
No.
It was this color?
It was this color.
So remember, this was a gatehouse, so the functionality is interesting here.
But great view.
Your steps in. Oh, yes,
the
great.
Window.
Well, it's right in Fivizzano, essentially. But all the original door frames. This is very Luna Jaycee. It's very from the region, this look. I have them at my house too. This is your bedroom.
This is our bedroom, yes.
That's so fun. That's crazy. What is that?
That's a Dutch door.
Oh, I see. So you can open it up and you can get air.
You can get air, absolutely.
Okay, clever. Very clever.
And again, you have, you know, the view, the terrace.
How is this a queen bed?
These are 2 twins that they merged.
So it's a queen.
It's a queen.
It's a queen bed. I'm not gonna. That's all.
So we have a full bath.
One person at a
bathroom. But it's one person at a time.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah, really cool use of space.
And actually, this is built into the medieval wall.
Oh,
the
really?
shower itself, yes. And the window, you can look up to the medieval wall and you see the window.
Oh, that's kind of fun. Very funky. You know what's cute about this is it's quirky.
It is quirky.
But it's chic. So it's got both things going.
Yeah.
Because I like quirky, but I also like chic. So it's got both things. You guys picked like really good furniture, really nice lights. I love the exterior electrical. Of course, I love that. You know how I am. I'm so weird that way. And then this is I call it the meditation yoga room, but what do you call it?
We actually use it as a living room.
Well, let's do some yoga in there.
Go ahead.
I think it's a yoga room.
Okay.
I think both of you like need some.
I don't know.
I think so. You're Dutch. You need it. Anyway, it's cute up here. Do you like my little halo? I feel very tall up here, I will say. It's cute. So that's the entire house, yeah?
Pack my bags and no regrets. Life's a gamble, place my bets. Rolling hills and sky so blue. Looney John, I'm coming to you. Stone walls cross the lane, but they charm. Rusted gates, wide open arms. Dreaming big with dust and dreams. This fixer-upper's more than it seems. Le mura gridano, la storia è cruda. Ma cazzo è mia, adesso non c'è scusa. Non è perfetto, ma chi se ne frega. Lunigiana, baby, sto vivendo lega. Mura gridano, la storia è cruda. Ma cazzo è mia, adesso non c'è scusa. Non è perfetto, ma chi se ne frega. Lunigiana, baby, sto vivendo lega.
Where's your wine?
Well, I gave you the wine glass, so I had just a cup. So I didn't think that was appropriate.
Yeah, go get a cup. You look like you're on a yacht anyway, so you have that preppy yacht look. Annette Joseph, Tours Real Estate. That's right. That's perfect.
Cheers.
Cheers. Jimmy.
Yes.
We're gonna miss you. And
You can come and visit, and
I
will
will,
come and visit.
and we're gonna sell this house for you.
Let's hope.
Okay. Well, if you don't buy this house, you're dopey. Because if you want to live in Fivizzano, this is a great house. It's beautiful. It's furnished. It's got a great location. You'll make instant friends. See people just show up here because they're walking into town and they knock on your door. So if you've gotten this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you to Jimmy and Federico. I don't know where the heck he is. But thank you very much for putting this together. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Peace.